My heart raced when I saw him. He smiled and crossed over. As our bodies crashed in what will remain the most ecstatic of embraces. Time froze, and with it every movement in this universe. Only two of us existed at that moment, just me and him. I could feel his heartbeat, and his breath warmed my ears. His body was beautifully large as I clung to him. I could feel the radiation passing through our bodies. By the time we were disengaged, I was giddy and a very light feet. I was snapped back to reality when ordered to sit down, and boy, did I just obey a man for the very first time. And tonight, I want to count the stars with him, with my lips pressed on his neck and fingers toying on his lower belly as I slowly and affectionately kiss him like he's never been kissed before. Kiss him with the purest of love that has